Okay, so today we're going to cut a wine bottle in half. We're going to use it for a stained glass panel that we'll probably show later on once it's completed. But just a regular old wine bottle, and here we go. I'm going to save the labels when they come off. When you're cutting three-dimensional objects like this, you want to take it slow. Let the blade do the cutting. Sometimes it'll wander off on you, so you want to make sure that you're keeping a nice straight cut. You'll notice that a wine bottle does in fact fit. When you get to the bottom of the wine bottle too, you're going to run into a lot of glass, so it's going to slow down, and you just take it easy. And once again, let the blade do the cutting. Now I'm into the base of the bottle. When you get near the very end, you don't want to break the glass, you don't want to chip anything out, so just again, very, very slowly. And there you have it. Half a wine bottle, and we'll do something real fun with it. Thank you for watching.